These 7 encounters where everything didn't go according to plan for a fisherman that messed with the wrong animals will leave you at the edge of your seat. Number 7. The fisherman's life literally flashed before his eyes during this terrible encounter. The video starts with a great white shark casually swimming past a fisherman wielding a spear. Suddenly, the unexpected happened. The calmness was a ploy all along. Thankfully, the fisherman was on guard to protect himself, but the relentless shark had none of it. Despite being repeatedly speared, the aggressive white shark still swims closer, waiting for the ideal opportunity to strike. Fortunately for the fisherman, he was able to escape before the great white shark could strike once more. Number 6. The clip begins with 3 powerful men being shown the bait for catching some monster Goliath groupers. The first man, a fitness enthusiast and a social media celebrity, tried to capture the fish first, and he soon paid the price with his wrist.
Pull, Gigi! Pull! Pull, Gigi! Pull, Gigi! Ah! Broke us off! Dude, how hard is that?
The second man, an ex-Special Forces soldier and world champion in arm wrestling, went next.
I got this. Oh, yeah! I got him. Go, Devin! I got this. Come on, Devin. Come on.
The third guy, a world champion powerlifter and fitness expert, soon joined, and he did the unexpected.
Fight him! Pull, pull, pull! You beat him, you beat him, you beat him! Reel it, reel it! Oh! What's underneath him? What is that? There's another. Grab the tail, 2 hands. Oh, and there he goes. Oh! There we go! See you, buddy.
Number 5. Here, a fisherman who was hunting had a bone-chilling encounter. The fisherman had set many baits at the beginning of the tape in an effort to catch a fish for dinner. Fortunately, he caught a fish, but the large fish wasn't going down without a fight, so it attacked the fisherman. This was no small fish, as it turned out to be a 33-kilogram barracudda. Nevertheless, the fisherman got the better of the fish. Number 4. The incident was captured on camera at Santa Barbara, California, and it had a fisherman in a kayak fighting for his life alone in the waters after it suddenly got attacked by a hammerhead shark. The aggressive sea monster had the man cornered to a spot as he circled him, waiting for the perfect time to strike. The man made sure to defend himself from the shark several times, but the shark only persisted in charging the fisherman.
I'm going in because I don't like this guy at all. He's still right out there. Right there.
Number 3. A fishing trip quickly turned into a nightmare as this fisherman was soon inches away from death. Thinking he had caught a fish, the fisherman held on tight to his fishing line before deciding to be patient.
Broke the ice now.
Sadly, his perseverance in waiting for the fish nearly cost him his life, as he soon experienced the scare of a lifetime.
Got him out. Oh my gosh! Holy sh! Oh my God! We gotta break this off. Oh my God!
Number 2. 3 hunters can be seen on board at the start of this horrifying video getting ready to pull whatever ocean animal was caught by their bait. Fortunately, the bait quickly caught a fish, and they soon began making every attempt to get it out of the water.
Come on, bro. Let's go, baby. Come on.
But one of the hunters soon got more than he bargained for, as the enormous fish proved to be too powerful for him, and shortly, the unexpected occurred. He was vulnerable to assault from the enormous fish out in the sea, but fortunately, he was able to escape in time.
Good job getting back in. Oh my goodness. Let's get that fish in. Come on.
That was a close shave with death. One can only imagine what would have happened if he got out the water just a few seconds later. Number 1. While out fishing in the north coast of South Africa, a fisherman cheated death after a close encounter with a great white shark. The excited fisherman takes a live bait at the start of the video, expecting to catch a bigger fish for lunch. His excitement soon turned into fear as he had some great white sharks chasing his fish and heading straight towards him. But while he thought he had escaped the sharks, the unexpected happened. Fortunately, he had a life jacket on and was able to get the capsized kayak back on top. What would you have done if you were in his situation? What do you think of these encounters? Have you had a similar encounter that scared the life out of you? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. See you on the next horrifying experience.